Welcome to our Intuitive Empath Spiritual Awakening Guidance Series. Here is one question that we get sometimes. Who experiences the dark night of the soul? That's coming up in this video.
Wherever you are in your journey, we are here to help.
And if you are just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From
.com, home of our Intuitive Awakening community and Zen Ed Academy.
As you come on, let us know where you're watching from.
And if you have any questions as we go, drop them in the comments.
This video is about the type of person who might experience a dark night of the soul, because not everybody does.
Now, I do feel for people who suffer from chronic depression. I think they should get a pass. They've already got enough to worry about, right? But they go through this too, in addition to the chronic depression.
But generally, the dark night usually occurs to people who think deeply about life.
I think very deeply. If you live day to day in sort of an oblivious state, but seem to be comfortable nonetheless, or not woke, you're probably not going to experience the dark night of the soul. Life made out of ticky-tacky is okay for some people.
Right? Because a lot of thought and reflection must occur to allow these ideas to take hold, rather than simply focusing on the superficial aspects of life.
Right? So in a nutshell, the ordinary, shallow waters type thinker may be content where they are, but will probably not experience the dark night or the deeper bliss of what comes after.
It's okay though. It's like you don't know what you don't know.
And you might be okay with the blue pill. If you're the kind of person that likes the red pill, let's keep going. What are the things that these deep thinkers think about?
Drop your deep thoughts about this in the comments as we give you a few of our own. Number one, people who think about who they are outside of this body.
Number two, people who think about what happens after death.
Number three, people who think about humanity and the way people treat each other.
Number four, people who think about what is out there, like the truth.
Like out there.
The truth is out there.
And number five, people who think about the supernatural.
And it might be more than just the show, Supernatural. Number six, people who think about the wonders of physical life and how things work.
Number seven, people who think about things like how animals or even plants communicate with each other, and deeper levels of how humans communicate with each other.
Of course, this is a short list.
Drop your own points on what you think makes a deep thinker in the comments.
Boom, and make sure that you watch all the videos in this series, all of them, to get a better understanding of your spiritual awakening.
In the next video, the Dark Night of the Soul review. Spiritual Awakening Roll Call. Where are you in your spiritual awakening?
If you've gotten something valuable today and you want more, you might be interested in our free Intuitive Awakening community, where we specialize in helping awakening empaths and intuitives step into confidence and clarity.
If you're ready to level up beyond that, you can check out our metaphysical school and community, Zen Ed Academy.
Be sure to check out all the links in the description, see if it resonates for you. Since you guys have watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies we got for you. There's a link in the description below if you liked this video.
Hit the like button.
Hit it hard. And if you want to see more videos like this,
be sure to subscribe
and spank the naughty bell to turn notifications on,
so you're the first to know
when we drop a new video
or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource, one of the most precious things in the universe, in my opinion. And we appreciate you taking your time to hang out with us, but more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your skills, your mind, and take everything to a whole new level. That is what we honor and appreciate even more. If you want more, be sure to binge on all the other videos that we've got for you. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.